Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how much cement, sand, aggregates are required to make 10 feet by 10 feet concrete slab. It is a basic essential thing that every civil fresh site engineer or fresh graduate should know before going into the job. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell button to get the regular updates. This channel will always bring you a civil engineering concepts, and keep watching, share, support to my channel. Assume this is a 10 feet by 10 feet slab and having a 6 inches slab thickness. Normally 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch we can provide as a slab thickness. I take 6 inch of slab thickness. Okay, so we have to find the material quantity for making the concrete. That is our problem. For making calculation we need some data. That data means how much volume we are providing the concrete. Here see, volume means we know the 3 dimensions should be multiple to get the volume. So volume means 3 dimensions should be multiple for getting the volume. One is 10 feet, another one is also 10 feet, another one is a 6 inch. So 6 inch means we know 12 inch is equal to 1 feet. For 6 inch it is a 0.5, that means half of the feet. So 10 feet by 10 feet by 0.5 feet is equal to 50 cubic feet. So we know, first we know 50 cubic feet of volume should be made concrete. Our question is how much cement, sand, aggregates is required to make 50 cubic feet of concrete. Okay, so after finding the volume, first we must understand what is the wet volume factor, because in a shop or in quarry itself they are giving a material in a dry manner. Dry manner means without adding the water, but in site we have to add water to make the concrete. Due to this adding water to the cement as well as to the sand and the coarse aggregate, the volume of the the volume of the concrete may gets disturbed. Due to these variations we have to multiple by using the wet volume factor, that may be the percentage. So say 1.54 to 1.57 is the wet volume factor. It means 54% of volume should be buy from the shop in extra manner. Okay, so 1.54 to 1.57 is the wet volume factor. So this is the second thing we have to know before going into the calculation. The third thing we should know, that is unit weight of cement, that is 1440 kilogram per meter cube. This is the standard value. You can memorize this. Okay, because cement available in market is in kilogram manner, so we have to calculate the value of cement in kilogram manner. That is why we should know what is the unit weight of cement, that is 1440 kilogram per meter cube. Then one more thing is how much CFT is equal to 1 unit, because sand as well as the coarse aggregate is available in quarry in unit manner. The unit of measurement is unit. So 100 CFT cubic feet is equal to 1 unit. So these 4 things we have to know before going into the calculation. One is volume, second one is a wet volume factor, third one is unit weight of a cement, fourth one is a unit conversion, that is 100 cubic feet is equal to 1 unit. So now we know the basic things before the calculation. Now we should know what type of grade concrete is going to provided for making the concrete slab. I take M20 grade concrete. Okay, here M20 means, M means mix, 20 means the characteristic compressive strength. The concrete made by using the grade M20 means the concrete should give the strength, compressive strength of 20 Newton per mm square at the day of 28th day, because the curing period is 28th day. So we must take the compressive strength test at the day of 28. If the concrete gives 20 Newton per mm square means it is the grade M20. Okay, it has the ratio of 1:1.5:3. Okay, it means the total part of the concrete. So now total part of the concrete is 5.5. Among the 5.5 part, 1 part of cement is going to be added, 1.5 part of sand is going to be added, 3 part of coarse aggregate is going to be added. This is the meaning of the ratio. Okay, so now the calculation. First one, we can find the cement content. Okay, so cement content mostly in the unit of kilogram, that keep in mind. Cement content is mostly in the unit of kilogram. So how much part of cement is going to add? 1 part among 5.5 part. Okay, so this is one thing. Among 5.5 part, 1 part is a cement. Okay, then how much volume is going to be made concrete is 50 CFT, because already we have found 10 feet into 10 feet into 0.5 feet is 50 cubic feet. So 50 cubic feet of volume. Then wet volume factor, that is 1.54. Another one is unit weight of cement, that is 1440. Unit weight of cement 1440. It is has the unit of kilogram per meter cube, but here cubic feet. Okay, due to the we have to convert the cubic feet into cubic meter. That is, divide the 50 by 35.28. It gives the it transfer the cubic feet into cubic meter. Now what is the answer? So totally 571.42 kilogram. Okay, because usually the cement can be said in bag. So one bag consisting 50 kilograms, so divided by 50, approximately 12 bags. Okay, approximately we need 12 bag of cement for making 10 feet by 10 feet concrete slab. So second thing is a sand. Sand may be river sand or M sand, it may be anything. The unit is unit. Sand can be said in a unit. Okay. So for this sand part is 1.5 part of sand among 5.5 part. How much cubic feet is 50 cubic feet. The wet volume factor is 1.54. So we can get the multiple, we can get the 21 cubic feet of sand is required. Okay. So I already told you 100 CFT is equal to 1 unit. Okay, so divide 21 by 100, we can get 0.21 unit of sand is required to make 10 feet by 10 feet concrete slab. So third thing is a coarse aggregate. Okay, this aggregate also should be in the unit of unit. So how much part? 3 parts of coarse aggregate is going to be added among 5.5 part. Total volume is 50. Wet volume factor is 1.54. We are getting the answer of 42 cubic feet. Okay, 42 CFT. So again we have to divide the 42 by 100 to get the unit. So 0.42 unit. Okay, this is the answer for coarse aggregate. At last we are going to summarize the answer. Cement needed for 10 feet by 10 feet concrete slab is 12 bag. Sand needed for 10 feet by 10 feet concrete slab is 0.25 unit. Okay, so aggregate needed for 10 feet by 10 feet concrete slab is 0.5 unit. These are all approximate value. So we are getting 0.42 unit. Some wastage will be there. So we can buy 0.5 unit of aggregates. Okay, hope this video can help you a lot. Kindly share to your friends and subscribe the channel and support me.